Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Sharon Alam. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I'm high school graduate. I have two kids, 7 years old and 21 years old. I live here in Cabagan, Isabela, Philippines. I'm a Roman Catholic. My experience is I worked before in Cyprus for 4 years and 10 months. My duty and responsibility is taking care of the children and doing the house chores like cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing clothes, washing the dishes, gardening, sometimes car washing. I can sing a rhyme for the kids. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I'm hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. I hope to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, Madam and Sir.